Did you know more than 75% of people aren't happy with how much money they make? That's 3 out of 4 people. Imagine if every time you hung out with 4 friends, 3 of them were broke and sad about it. That's 1 awkward barbecue.
Wait, does that mean I'm the one friend who's happy?
Not if you're standing next to me, think. Stick with me and we'll make sure your wallet doesn't get any holes in it.
So people just sit around unhappy about their money. Don't they know they can, do something about it?
Exactly, Grasshopper. Many people don't realize they've got options sitting right under their thumbs, literally on their phone. That shiny rectangle of distraction could also be a money machine.
My phone? Last time it made me money was when I dropped it and sued the coffee shop.
That was chaos, not cash flow. I'm talking real tools. Tools that can upgrade your quality of life without having to embarrass yourself on TikTok Live. Let me run a name by you, SoFi. Ever heard of it?
Sounds like a new boy band.
Not band, bank. Picture the giant stadium in Inglewood, California. Football, concerts, the whole shebang. The naming rights? Owned for years now by SoFi. And unlike that boy band you made up, this SoFi actually puts money in your pocket.
So, it's a bank.
Not your grandpa's bank. This is one of the few companies shaking up the financial industry. They'll pay you to join. Yeah, you heard me right. You sign up, deposit $50, and SoFi hands you 25 extra. Free money.
Wait, they pay me to use their bank. Usually my bank just gives me pens. Sometimes I take pens from the bank.
Exactly. Traditional banks survive off your fees, your overdrafts, your suffering. Why wouldn't you take their pens? SoFi flips things. They want customers. Because the financial industry only makes money by serving you. More customers means more power. So they bribe you politely with cash and some of the highest interest rates in the country.
So basically, it's like SoFi saying, "Welcome, here's pizza money."
Bingo. Except this pizza delivers interest too. And there are definitely pineapples on it.
Okay, free $25 is cool. But what if I want more than that? You said they need me, right?
Glad you asked, Hungry Wallet. SoFi also pays you to bring in new members. You get money, they get money, everybody's high-fiving and dancing.
So like a pyramid scheme.
No, sir. A pyramid scheme is when your Uncle Larry pulls you into his garage to sell you magic beans. This is a referral program. Legit, legal, and it actually works. Think of it like the stadium again. SoFi bought the naming rights. That's marketing. Paying you to bring new people? That's just smarter marketing.
So I could basically text my friends, "Hey, want some free money?" And they'd thank me.
Exactly. Instead of avoiding you like when you spam them with cat videos. So here's the point. Most people are stuck wishing they had more money. But options like SoFi are literally sitting right in front of them. Free bonuses, higher interest, and ways to grow cash without working extra shifts at the pretzel stand.
Pretzel stand shifts do smell amazing though.
Not as amazing as free money, think. Free money smells like victory. You want to try SoFi today? Hit the link in our description. Deposit $50 and boom, $25 bonus lands in your account. Simple, fast, done.
And while you're at it, subscribe to this channel. We'll keep showing you more ways to upgrade your money game.
Exactly. Tap subscribe, hit that bell, and binge our other videos if you're curious now. Remember, 3 out of 4 people hate their money situation. Don't stay in that sad majority.
Be the one friend at the barbecue who's actually eating.